We have an interesting integral here because we have ln of t squared and nothing else going on. It's not going to fall under a u sub or any of our basic rules, but we can do an integration by parts, and let me show you how that's going to actually work out. It's going to be kind of interesting. So we're going to choose our u and our dv. Now our u, we're going to let be the whole thing, ln of t, the quantity squared, because ln of t is not a basic antiderivative, and that is really our only choice. dv is what's left, which is dt. So v is easy, it's just t, the antiderivative of dt. du is going to require a chain rule, which is 2 times ln of t to the first, bring the power down, decrease the power by 1, times the derivative of the inside, which is 1 over t. Now let's see what happens when we put this together. So first off, we have our uv, which is t times ln of t squared minus the integral of v du. T times 2 times ln of t times 1 over t dt. How nice, those t's cancel for us. And I'm going to pull the 2 out. And so we got 2 ln of t squared minus 2 times the antiderivative of ln of t dt. Now some people have this one memorized, and there's nothing wrong with that. You do it enough times, and if you know it, that's fine. But let's assume that we don't. It's going to be a very similar integration by parts. We're going to let u be ln of t, dv be dt, then v is just t, and du is just 1 over t dt. So let's put that in here. T ln of t squared, you need good bookkeeping here, that minus 2, I would use parentheses here, and then put in my integration by parts. So t ln of t minus the integral of v du. So t times 1 over t dt, well, look what happens. Those cancel, and this actually just becomes the antiderivative of 1. So we can finish this on the next step. T times ln of t squared minus 2 times t ln of t minus just t, and then we'll throw in our plus c here at the end. And if you want, you can distribute this minus 2. And if we did that, we would have t ln of t squared minus 2t ln of t plus 2t, because we're distributing a negative 2, plus c. So there's our final answer.